Hi everyone. What you're going to learn in this video has been checked and approved by expert mechanics at the shop, so relax, this is fixable. If your Mazda CX-5 shows the AT transmission malfunction message, the first thing to do is take a deep breath and don't panic. It doesn't mean your transmission is about to blow up, but it does mean the car detected that something in the automatic system isn't working properly. The first and most common suspect, according to many mechanics here, is the battery or low voltage. Yep, it sounds weird, but if the battery is weak or isn't supplying enough power, sensors and the transmission can start sending wrong signals, and the car goes into protection mode. Many people report that just checking, charging, or even replacing the battery made several warning lights and error messages disappear. If the battery is fine, the next step is to check the transmission fluid and its sensors. Low, dirty, or bubbly fluid can confuse the pressure sensor and make the ECU think there's a problem. Several mechanics confirmed on forums that after properly topping up the fluid and bleeding the system, the message went away and driving returned to normal. Now, if all that seems fine, the problem could be electronic or a communication issue. Some mechanics mentioned that updating the transmission control module solved ghost errors that had no mechanical faults. It's like giving the transmission's brain a professional reset so it can talk properly with the engine again. In more serious cases, the message isn't just an electronic glitch. There could be real wear or internal mechanical issues, like faulty solenoids or damaged parts. Some mechanics here shared that after diagnosing at the dealership, they ended up repairing or replacing the transmission. That's why it's important not to ignore the warning if it persists, and to pay attention to jerks, harsh shifts, or strange noises.